I'm a fraud. I'm a fraud. Stop watching my channel. Don't even bother listening to what I have to say. We're going to talk about why I'm a fraud. Pool Plumbing Mafia. Pool Plumbing Mafia on Facebook annihilated me after I posted just a picture of this. I did not use a threaded heat temperature union in front of the pump. And why am I using a check valve to prevent DE from coming in? This is a video for pool liner installers only, not Pool Plumbing Mafia people. Again, I'm being rude. It's not pool liner people only. Only people that are interested in liners. If you see me right now, I am one of the strongest people in the world. You know I'm just joking.